Finding the best Jackery solar generator in 2026 is way harder than it should be, because once you start looking, every model suddenly claims to be portable, fast charging, and perfect for emergencies. But here's the problem. Most people end up buying way more power than they actually need, or worse, they buy a unit that folds the second a real outage hits. And after testing some of the biggest Jackery systems side by side, the differences become very obvious. Some of these are incredible for RV life and off-grid camping. Others are basically silent whole home backup systems that can replace a gas generator entirely. But a few come with catches most buyers don't discover until after spending thousands of dollars. So in this video, we're breaking down the absolute best Jackery solar generators you can buy right now. From compact, travel-friendly options, all the way up to serious home backup monsters capable of powering heavy-duty appliances during blackouts. And trust me, the number one pick surprised us. Before jumping in, every unit on this list was compared based on battery lifespan, charging speed, portability, real-world appliance performance, expandability, and overall value for money. Because specs on paper are one thing, but surviving a multi-day power outage or running an RV off-grid is a completely different story. Starting off at number 6, the Jackery Explorer 2000 Plus kit is one of the most interesting systems Jackery has made because it sits right in that sweet spot between portable power station and serious home backup solution. This thing is built around a massive 6,128 watt-hours LiFePO4 battery setup with expandable battery packs and a 3,000 watt output. And in real-world use, that means it can comfortably run refrigerators, microwaves, coffee makers, portable AC units, and multiple devices at the same time without feeling stressed. The first thing that stands out is battery longevity. Jackery claims over 4,000 charge cycles before dropping to 70% capacity, which translates into years and years of use. That matters more than most people realize, because cheaper power stations often degrade much faster if used regularly. Now, the portability situation is interesting. Technically, yes, it's portable. But let's be honest, at over 60 pounds for the main unit alone, nobody's casually carrying this across a campsite. Thankfully, the telescoping handle and wheels make a huge difference. It feels more like rolling luggage than hauling a generator. Where this unit really shines is modular flexibility. You can expand the system all the way up to 24 kilowatt hours, which is enough for extended outages or serious off-grid living. That's the kind of scalability RV owners and preparedness-focused homeowners absolutely love. But here's the catch. Unlike the EcoFlow Delta Pro, this system can't output native 240 volts from a single unit. So if you want to run heavy-duty appliances like central AC systems or certain well pumps, you'll need extra hardware and potentially a second unit. That gets expensive quickly. Still, for buyers who care more about quiet operation, reliability, and modular expansion than maximum raw power, this is one of the most practical high-capacity Jackery systems available right now. At number 5, the Jackery Solar Generator 5000 Plus is where things start getting serious. This isn't just a camping battery anymore. This is a full-scale emergency backup system designed to compete directly with whole home solutions. And honestly, the specs are kind of ridiculous. You're getting a massive 5,040 watt-hours LiFePO4 battery with native 120 volts and 240 volts output, plus a staggering 7,200 watts continuous output. That means this unit can handle heavy appliances that smaller solar generators simply can't touch. We're talking dryers, central air conditioners, water pumps, large refrigerators, power tools, and entire home circuits during outages. The biggest advantage here is the smart transfer switch. This feature completely changes how the system behaves during a blackout. Instead of manually plugging devices into the power station, the system can automatically switch over with basically zero interruption. That's huge for medical equipment, gaming setups, office servers, or anyone working from home. And charging speeds? Honestly insane. With up to 4,000 watts solar input and ultra-fast AC charging, this thing can recharge incredibly fast for a battery this large. That becomes extremely important during storm seasons when sunlight windows can be unpredictable. Now let's talk about the downside nobody mentions enough. This thing is heavy, really heavy. At around 135 pounds, portability becomes more of a technical feature than a practical one. Sure, it has wheels, but loading this into a vehicle alone is not fun. And unlike some competitors, it doesn't offer waterproof protection. So outdoor use requires careful setup and protection from the elements. Still, if the goal is replacing a noisy gas generator with something cleaner, quieter, and easier to manage, this is one of the best premium home backup systems Jackery has ever released, especially for homeowners who want simplicity instead of complicated modular ecosystems. Coming in at number 4, the Jackery HomePower 3000 hits a very interesting middle ground. It's powerful enough for serious backup use, but still manageable enough for RV trips, camping setups, and mobile lifestyles. This model packs a 3,072 watt-hour Life PO4 battery with a 3,600 watt output, which is enough to power almost every standard household appliance people actually care about during outages. Refrigerators? Easy. Microwaves? No problem. Power tools, TVs, routers, CPAP machines, portable heaters? It handles all of them surprisingly well. What makes this one stand out is overall refinement. The cooling system is extremely quiet compared to many competing units, even under load, and during overnight outages, that matters a lot more than people expect. Nobody wants a loud fan cycling on every few minutes while trying to sleep. The portability is also better than expected for a unit this capable. Jackery trimmed down the size significantly compared to older designs, and the wheel and handle setup feels genuinely useful. But there's an important limitation here. No 240-volt support. That means this unit is fantastic for standard household electronics and appliances, but it's not designed for large high-voltage equipment like central air systems or electric dryers. And while the included 400-watt solar panels are useful, they're honestly a bit underpowered for a battery this large. Full solar charging takes a long time unless additional panels are added. Still, this is one of the easiest premium power stations to live with day to day. The interface is clean, setup is simple, and it doesn't overwhelm users with complexity. For homeowners wanting dependable emergency backup without jumping into ultra-expensive whole home systems, this one makes a lot of sense. At number 3, we have the smallest generator on this list, but also one of the most practical for everyday users, the Jackery Explorer 300. And this is where a lot of people should actually start before overspending on giant systems they'll barely use. The Explorer 300 is designed for portability first. At just over 8 pounds, this thing is incredibly easy to carry, toss into a vehicle, or bring to campsites without thinking twice. Now obviously, you're not running a refrigerator all weekend with a 292 watt-hour battery. That's not the point. This unit is built for smaller electronics, portable workstations, camping gear, camera equipment, drones, phones, laptops, Wi-Fi routers, and light emergency use. And for those tasks, it absolutely shines. The 60-watt USB-C PD charging port is especially useful because it can directly charge modern laptops without requiring bulky power bricks. That's a huge convenience for remote workers and travelers. One thing that surprised us was how quiet this unit is. Many small power stations have tiny, aggressive fans that constantly spin up, but the Explorer 300 stays impressively silent during lighter loads. Now here's the catch. Capacity disappears fast once larger appliances enter the picture. Try plugging in a coffee maker, electric kettle, or space heater, and you'll drain this thing rapidly. And unlike some competitors, there's no built-in flashlight. That sounds minor until you're dealing with an actual outage in the middle of the night. Charging speed is also decent rather than class-leading. Some newer competitors recharge faster from wall outlets. But durability matters here. Jackery's rugged shell design feels extremely dependable, and for casual users who need grab-and-go emergency power or lightweight camping energy, this remains one of the safest buys in the portable category. Now, before we get to the top 2, here's something most buyers completely underestimate when choosing a solar generator. Future expansion. Because the worst feeling is buying a system that feels perfect today, then realizing 6 months later it can't grow with your needs. Maybe you buy an RV. Maybe outages become more frequent. Maybe you want to run larger appliances. Suddenly, that perfect generator feels tiny. And that's exactly why the next 2 models stand out so much. They don't just solve current problems. They leave room for future upgrades without forcing buyers into completely new ecosystems. At number 2, the Jackery HomePower 3600 Plus is easily one of the most versatile power stations Jackery has ever made. This thing balances raw output, scalability, portability, and long-term reliability incredibly well. Right out of the box, you get a 3,584 watt-hour LiFePO4 battery and a powerful 3,600 watt AC output capable of handling heavy startup surges from demanding appliances. That means refrigerators, sump pumps, portable AC units, workshop tools, and multiple electronics can all run simultaneously without issue. But the real magic is scalability. This system can expand all the way up to 21.5 kilowatt hours with additional battery packs. That's enormous. And it completely changes who this generator is for. At first, it might just be an RV backup system or emergency home station. But over time, it can evolve into a multi-day whole home solution. That flexibility gives this model incredible long-term value. The wheel and handle design is also excellent. Yes, it's still heavy, but compared to some industrial-sized competitors, it feels far easier to maneuver around garages, campsites, or driveways. Another underrated advantage is stability. Some large power stations become noisy or inconsistent under heavy loads. The HomePower 3600 Plus stays impressively controlled and quiet even when powering multiple demanding devices. Now the downsides. The included solar package is a little underwhelming for a battery this size. 400 watts of solar input works, but recharge times stretch longer than many buyers expect unless additional panels are added. And of course, premium performance comes with premium pricing. But if someone wants one system that can grow over time instead of becoming obsolete, this is probably the smartest long-term investment in Jackery's lineup. And finally, at number 1, the best Jackery solar generator for most people is the Jackery Solar Generator 1000 V2. Not because it's the biggest, not because it's the most powerful, but because it absolutely nails the balance between portability, performance, charging speed, ease of use, and price. This is the generator most people will actually use consistently instead of leaving in a garage untouched. The 1070 watt-hour LiF EP04 battery paired with a 1500 watt inverter hits a perfect middle ground. It's powerful enough to run coffee makers, TVs, mini fridges, routers, laptops, fans, portable heaters, and camping equipment while still remaining genuinely portable. And the compact redesign matters more than expected. Compared to older 1 kilowatt hour power stations, this version is noticeably easier to pack into vehicles, store indoors, or move around during emergencies. But the standout feature is absolutely the 1-hour emergency charging mode. That feature alone makes this generator incredibly practical. Storm warning coming in? Charge it fully before the outage hits. Need fast turnaround between camping stops? Done. Most competing units at this size simply don't recharge this quickly. The included 200-watt solar panel also creates a very clean off-grid setup for camping and RV users who want renewable charging without complicated installations. Now, there are limitations. This system doesn't support expansion batteries, so what you buy is what you get. And under heavy loads, the cooling fans become noticeable. Plus, the UPS functionality isn't instant like Jackery's higher-end systems, meaning it's not ideal for ultra-sensitive electronics requiring uninterrupted backup. But for the vast majority of users, none of those are deal breakers. This is the easiest Jackery generator to recommend because it avoids the biggest problem in the solar generator world: overcomplication. So here's the bottom line. If you want the best overall balance of portability, fast charging, and value, the Jackery 1000 V2 is the clear winner. If you need serious expandable home backup power, the HomePower 3600 Plus is probably the smartest long-term investment.
And if your goal is full whole home backup with 240 volt appliance support, the 5000 Plus becomes the heavy-duty powerhouse worth considering. But whichever model fits your setup, one thing is clear. Solar generators are no longer just camping accessories. These are becoming genuine alternatives to gas generators for emergency preparedness, RV life, and off-grid living. And with blackout concerns growing every year, having reliable backup power suddenly feels a lot less optional. If you want to check current prices, bundle deals, or updated availability on any of these Jackery solar generators, all the links are waiting in the description below. Some of these models regularly go on sale, especially during seasonal events, so definitely check before buying.